Hi, I'm Ana from Slovenia. I am a dance pedagogue, creator, performer. I work with youngsters for the last 8 years already, and it's on a daily basis. So I think, yeah, I have some experience with working with youngsters. I learned that the youngsters are very critical in what and how they want to say on stage. I also learned that in a short period of time, it's a complicated thing to create something in a deeper sense. Yes, because there were so many, it was hard to manage a time to get together. So that was the main issue, the only issue, I think, to find the time to come together. I think it was an interesting experience for them to create something, especially from two different expressional media, creative movement and improvisation theater. So I think the both group got something from the process, how to collaborate, how to listen, and how to co-create. I think that's the most important impact of the process. Yes, I think we managed beautifully to intertwine both medias, and at the end it was a beautiful performance that left a mark on all of us. So I think it was good.